Hey, happy people, this is Tanya Hall, Chocolate Mama, and welcome to how to create a landing page or a funnel, as some people call it. So we're going to learn how to do that with Thrive Themes. I want to show you how to do it with Thrive Themes because Thrive Themes really works very well for people like myself and maybe like you too, who don't have a lot of time. So you need to have a tool that gets things up quick and fast, and so that you can create funnels and landing pages and sell pages very quickly with very minimum effort to it. So let's dig right in. Let's get right to it so that we can learn how to create one. And I'm going to pick up basically in this series that I'm doing here on how to use Thrive Themes. I'm going to pick up where I left off in the previous video. So if you missed it, the link is in here for the previous video is how to create a website. Now we're going to create a landing page within the website. Okay. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell so that you can get all our latest content of how to grow your business, a home-based business solopreneur. You're a one-person business and you need to learn one-person business strategies so that you can be more productive and more visible so that customers can find you. Thanks a bunch. So here we go. This is where we left off previously, where we had just created this website within minutes, literally within minutes. And so right here at the very top, I haven't completed putting it in, but I want something to go here, right? So get started now, and I want to take it to a landing page, a funnel where people can sign up for whatever free thing or whatever service I'm going to be giving away right here in this section. So the first thing I needed to do was to create a page. So I've already done that. I've gone through and created a page, and the page is blank basically. So when I click this, you can see it'll go to a page, and the page is called CVS Warrior Newsletter. And as you can see, it's blank. It's nothing there when I clicked it. So now we need to go inside. So remember, we were here, we clicked it, and it took us to here, which is a blank page. So now I need to put something on that blank page. So I'm going to start right here. The name of that page, that blank page, is called CVS Warrior Newsletter. So very quickly, show you how the power of Thrive Launch Architect is. Thrive Launch Architect is the drag and drop, basically templates that are already built, or you can drag and drop and pull over what you want. So I'm going to click the green button, and it is procreating here. It's going through, and there we go. So I can either add a block or I can add an already made template, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over here and click change template. And as you can see, it says normal, blank with a header and footer, or completely blank, or pre-built. For me, again, solopreneur, why would I want to waste time with anything else other than a pre-built? So I'm going to click pre-built. Now, the whole entire theme that I'm working with right now is called the Quick Theme, but it opens up and gives me access to many more. So like Quick Theme has 33 pages. Omni Theme has 21 pages. Shape Shift has 13 pages. Then I'm going to go down here and we have Hydra, which is a smart landing page set. Hydra has 13 pages and ClickSmart has 7 pages. And as you can see, it could go on and on. And so all of these different things have a ton of other pages. So like there's 155 on this one and 212 on another. These are all available, accessible, right to me. I can just grab any one of those that I like and just add it in. So, and just to give you an example of some of the things that it does, like for example, in this, it has 13 pages. You can just click expand those pages, and then it'll give you a picture idea and show you what those pages, each one of them, are going to look like. Excuse me, what they're going to look like for you as you are attempting to possibly use them. So you get a kind of an idea of what they're going to look like. So for me, I'm going to go back to the library because I gotta have an idea of which one I want. And I think I'm going to go with in the Hydra. Let's see. And I want to take a look at their um, have a specific page that I thought might work well, but I will look and see and confirm that now. Have a bonus page, launch a course, webinar. If I was doing a webinar, that'd be amazing. But this is the one I think I want to go with. I think I want to go with this lead generation page. So very quickly, I just click it and then apply template. And voila, just like that, this template is now in this on that page that I want. There you go. Got it. Okay. So this is the page. This is what it looks like. It's already done for me. I can use any part, some of it, all of it, minimize it to what I want and take out what I, don't want to use, which I'm going to do. I'm going to take out quite a bit of things. And so now I can go in and add in the custom colors, things that that I want to change this page around. But for right now, I'm just going to click Save Work because I want to save this template that I just moved over, right? Just moved everything over. And so now want to go in here and, modify, make a few changes on this particular template. And I can make all kinds of changes, the layout changes, the typographic changes, the background changes. So like, for instance, this is blue. I don't want blue. I want that yellow that I've been kind of working with. Woo, bright, isn't it? Right. Okay. So, I kind of can decide whether I want to use that or not. And I think I still want to use that bright yellow because it really gets people's attention. But I may change some other things on the page. So that I can go in and make some other modifications and things of that nature, like to the button. And I can go in here and kind of change up different things that I want. So like, for instance, I know I'm not going to want this entire block of all of this stuff right here, mostly because I'm just trying to keep it simple and quick to the point. So I could just go in and delete that entire block. I'm not going to need customers' testimonials and things of that nature. So I can, again, go in here and delete entire block. I know that I'm not going to need it, not going to use it. So no need of having these things here for me. So now I can just kind of look at what I think I'm going to have. And I think I'm just going to probably have, be perfectly honest, for this particular page, I'm probably just going to have this top portion. So I'm going to delete this too. And by the way, if I want to bring those things back, I can absolutely bring those things back over to the page because that's where this add element, I can add a block in here. So I can just drag, drop, add a block, and then add any of these blocks right back into it because they're all still here in segments. So if I just want to add, let's say, if, I want to add, I see it called action. I think one of them was a product highlight. Okay, so if I want to add a product, look, watch this. Boom, hit that. And now that product stuff is right back onto the page, just like before. So if it's anything that you're like, oh, I should have deleted that, don't worry about it. You can go back in and add the very specific elements. I mean, have everything, images, text, columns, buttons. If you want to add things in and build your own, you can. Credit card processing. It has an immense amount of things that you want. And if you don't like it, you can again go back in here and delete, and that whole section is completely gone. So, you can just build it like you want to build it. What you think you might need in here. I'm going to click save. And then if I want to preview the work, let's see if I can refresh. And there it is. That's all the stuff that I just pulled over in seconds. Now it's already built. I can go in and change anything I want, change the coloration, change the font, the color, the text. But I have built an entire funnel. That's beautiful funnel systems. Like, it's just gorgeous. I built it in seconds, in just a couple of minutes, just gone by. And now I can do that. So let's start back from the beginning. Let's start here. So we're on my home page of this website that I'm building here. And then when I click get started now, it goes right over to this page. Look at that. See, just that simple. It makes it so easy. So anyone, if you have an hour worth of time as a solopreneur to go towards your business, you can build amazing things in just an hour. So I hope you guys have enjoyed looking at this and learning how using something tool to make you more productive, like Thrive Themes, will be absolutely wonderful for a home-based business. As a solopreneur or one-person business, you don't have a lot of time to give. This is a perfect tool for you. So I hope you enjoyed. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks. Bye.